Hey YouTube.
Hey guys, I'm Mariana.
I'm Henry. This is Henry. He's our special guest.
We'll have a special guest
Almost
every week.
every week.
And if we don't, it's because we ran out of friends.
We don't have that. Just
kidding.
kidding.
I have like so much.
I've got like 500 Facebook friends, so yeah.
Okay. What to do?
Well, what not to wear?
What to wear and what not to wear.
We'll give you tips
What?
for school.
What not to wear. Exhibit A. A tie-dye shirt with an undershirt. With an undershirt thingy and running shorts. Like, who wears that in this century?
Everyone does. Exhibit B.
Of what to wear. A
Marilyn Monroe shirt.
Okay, with jeans and a belt.
Let's try some jam on. My favorite. Can you see that?
Wait, is that the Jonas Brothers?
No.
Okay. Wait, why are we listening to the Jonas Brothers?
Because I like. Oh, we should be listening to One Direction. Who cannot wait for the next album? Oh my god.
Oh my god. I can't wait for the video. You put the saddest song they have.
Well, it's shuffled. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna give you tips. Well, the one I use for school, it's red by the way. The old one I use, it's Two Bears. Don't try Two Bears like awesome.
I love Two Bears.
I love.
I like some too, you know.
Then my other backpack.
I do that part.
People think they're too cool. People think they're too. Oh, I gotta cover up this part. People will think they're too cool for school if you wear this backpack. Oh, and the one I'm sitting on. That's really
Really
good.
backpack. You're the loser of this thing.
Yeah.
So nice.
What else can we talk about? I have to show you guys another special bag. Help me out.
Get ready to see the best skinny twins.
No.
What story, Grace? Oh.
Say hi to YouTube. This is Sergio. Say hi, Sergio. He's very shy.
And he leaves dropping.
He likes dropping you. Oh no, where are you going?
It's getting darker. Oh.
Hi, Sergio. What do you want to do today? Oh, I want to see you first.
Let's play a game.
Let's play. Bye, guys. We'll see you tomorrow.